And now she knows the only threat is really me.
Making her way to the ring from Santiago, Chile, Stephanie Vader!
Looking out at the countless members of the WWE Universe in attendance, they are all here because of matches like this one.
She certainly knows how to get a reaction, and she'll get an even bigger one when she wins this match.
Matches like these, with talent of this caliber, this is why sports entertainment is an art form.
She has stolen the show on many occasions, and I think she's planning on doing it again here tonight.
Hard not to be excited when this superstar is a competitor who has no limits.
She wouldn't know her limits if they were right in front of her, Michael. Some might think she's reckless at times, but it's impossible to get her to change her ways now.
And I wouldn't expect her to fight any different in this matchup either.
But she'll be facing a challenge in the form of a superstar who has a vendetta to settle. You know this one's going to get intense judging by all the vitriol that's led up to tonight.
She is still fighting, still keeping this going.
Placing them right where they want them, into the corner.
Oh, stomping away.
I wonder if she can withstand much more of this.
Yeah, the faults in her game plan are being laid bare.
She's taking some big hits here. Into the ring now.
Oh, and a wicked clothesline. Will this be enough?
Fending off a 2 count there.
So resilient.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Knees up. Got the knees up just in time.
Oof. Effective drop kick to the face. Dominating cross body. Crafty way to get out of harm there.
Being carried around with ease. Exhibiting a crazy amount of strength here. Not the prettiest thing you'll ever see, but it sure looks effective from here.
Oh, and she got out of there. Nice takedown. Oh, man.
Springboard off the top rope. Oh, bulldog.
One-handed. Two-handed choke slam. Hoisting up their opponent. Wow, what a spine buster.
There's two. No, kicks out.
At this point in the match, that could have gone either way.
Impressive reversal there.
Drop kick finds the spot.
She's forced onto the defensive now.
Big elbow.
Here we go. Beautiful swinging neck breaker. Cover. She kicks out at one. Still in it. Uh-oh. Russian leg sweep.
Was ready for that. Ooh.
Big forearm. What a punch. And a collision in the corner.
You can tell she wants to put an end to this.
Springboard off the top.
Springboard crossbody.
She could pin her opponent right here. Getting the shoulder up before two.
She likely knew that wasn't enough. She's just keeping the pressure on.
Counters that. Arm wringer. Able to fight out with a punch.
Double underhook carefully applied, muscling up their opponent.
Butterfly backbreaker.
That might have put the exclamation point on this one.
Leg drop. Cover. Two.
Why? She had it right where she wanted her.
She doesn't want the suffering to end, that's why.
And that was taking the attack to the competition with that one. This has become a monumental struggle for these competitors.
It is down to who still has the energy, the resolve to put the pedal to the metal.
And she's just not giving her any room to breathe.
She continues to press forward.
And DDT, just devastating. Kick to the gut. This is not going to end well for their opponent.
Oh, what a package! Powerbomb!
How many times does that end a match?
Is it enough? The cover! Two! And victory here tonight! These ladies put on quite a show. Here's another gander.
Here is your winner, Stephanie
She earns the W against fierce competition.
We are looking at the textbook definition of a winner right now, and you can bet she is about to let everyone in the locker room know just that.
I've been on a ride, baby, living on the sideways, living on a wave that I can't describe. I do things my way, or take the highway.